here to unbox
Okay, examining the gilid.
the laptop. Thank you so much. So excited. Ano kayang laman? Charot.
Nice, sakto. Tama yung model. Tingnan natin kung tama yung laman dito sa loob. Tape. Okay.
What does it mean by an
So it
MSI?
looks like it has been opened.
Chinek yata muna.
Sinek nila yung loob. Nilagyan na lang nila ng tape. Pero yung main seal niya ay tampered na.
Tampered? Inopen nila. Wow, may bag. Wow, may bag. May pad. Ang laki ng pad.
Dito na.
Okay.
So here is the product. So wala na rin siyang ditong tape. So it's been inspected. Okay, looks like the product has been tested or something. F13MG-026PH. Age. What's this warranty?
Ay pala, ano na yan?
The charger. What is the charger?
Kala ko ba Dell? Mistake talaga.
Let's test it kung walang mga dead pixels or something bad, kasi mukhang tampered yung seal, pero tingnan natin okay ba. Check natin ulit. Yan. Okay. So ngayon natin na siyang i-unplug.